Look at you go, May. Fresh out of the pool, hair all wet. I gotta give you a haircut. I promise I'll do it this weekend. All right, we're gonna make some vegetables. Go ahead and take that bowl over there. Okay. Go ahead. You can. Your hands are clean, so you can just. We're not gonna take all of it. We're gonna save half for tomorrow. So go ahead and just take half of it and just spread it out. Get that zucchini, get that yellow squash.
Ooh, the sizzle. I love the sizzle.
All right, keep going. Load it up, load it up. We got baked potato, we got chicken kebabs, we got homemade potato salad too, if anybody wants that. Getting a little, is it a little hot for you? Want me to help?
No.
Okay, got it. And now, salt and pepper.
You gotta get all those vegetables in that butter.
Look at you go. All right, did you bring your salt and pepper out? Yeah, there you go. There you go. All right. Yep. Beautiful. All right, now a little bit of salt. Perfect, that's enough. Okay. All right, now I'm just gonna kind of get this tossed in the butter a bit. And then we're gonna put that lid over there, over this, just to steam this a little bit. Okay, you wanna put the lid on? There you go. Here, I'll show you a trick. Just scoop.
Oh, there we go. Yeah,
There you
that
go.
works a lot better.
Now, you can spray a little water in here too. Let me see where a water bottle is. I'm gonna lift that and you just squirt some water in there. That'll just help steam it a little bit. Perfect. There you go. That's it.
That trick works
Thank
really
you.
well.
Thanks for your help. How those look?
Amazing.
They are perfect. All right, go ahead and shut off the grill. Do you know how to do that?
No, we'll put
Okay.
it.
We're gonna just turn it and then push it in and then up. Yep. And then just play right just like that. Yep. And then that side. That way. And then push it in. Yep. Perfect. Ooh, look at that. All right.
Absolutely spectacular. I don't like vegetables, and I might have some. It looks amazing.
I guess every 12-year-old boy, almost 13, doesn't like vegetables. Is she going to eat some anyway?
Yeah, because they look way too good.
Okay. Thanks, Mason. All right, we're gonna get to eating here. I'll show you what we're having, and once it's all plated up. Shish kebab. Ones with lots of peppers for me and Eric. Hot dogs, because I don't think Mason wanted. Mason, did you want a shish kebab or did you want hot dogs? Or actually, those aren't hot dogs. Those are smoked sausages.
Yes, I did.
These are our vegetables. And then we have baked potato. There's your beans, May May. Thanks for helping to cook.
Hey, you're welcome.
Or maybe you'll come back for
Oh yeah, I might get
a bigger
second
serving.
helping. Who knows?
Anyway, all right. Happy July 4th, you guys. God bless. And I will be seeing you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. You know it's almost done when the kids start coming out and asking, when is breakfast? When you smell it. Never fails.